Here's India in the last 24 hours. In Madhya Pradesh, Congress has nominated a former MP and the BJP has selected two senior party leaders for upcoming Rajya Sabha elections scheduled for June 18th. In the ongoing India-US trade talks, Trump today called Prime Minister Modi his good friend and expressed confidence a deal would be reached. In Kerala, the southwest monsoon finally arrived in the state on Thursday, 3 days behind schedule. El Nino conditions are now expected to weaken rainfall this season, worrying farmers who rely on these rains for their crops. The Supreme Court has released draft regulations to prevent artificial intelligence from making judicial decisions on its own. Courts will still rely on human judges for final verdicts. The BJP says Rahul Gandhi is spreading false claims about the economy and institutions. The party argues India's economic fundamentals remain strong with steady foreign investment and controlled inflation. In Gujarat, at least 50 people fell sick in Ahmedabad's Ghatlodia area after a broken sewage pipe contaminated the drinking water supply, leaving 7 hospitalized with diarrhea and vomiting. Union Home Minister Amit Shah reviewed the situation as teams distributed chlorine tablets and repaired the pipeline on an emergency basis. In the ongoing SEBI probe into Rajesh exports, mutual funds steered clear of the gold exporter for over a decade, while state-owned LIC quietly built up its stake to nearly 11%. The company faces allegations of inflating revenues by over 15 lakh crore rupees across 5 years. In Gujarat, police in the state have detained over 500 Bangladeshi nationals during a 2-day operation targeting illegal immigration. Most of those arrested were working as laborers in cities like Ahmedabad and Surat. 2 crucial cancer drugs, cisplatin and carboplatin, have disappeared from shelves across India for the past 2 weeks, forcing oncologists to scramble for alternatives. Soaring platinum prices from the Middle East crisis have made these medicines too expensive for manufacturers to produce under India's price control rules.